To fix the NVIDIA GeForce required driver version in Battlefield 6, we need to download the most latest version of NVIDIA drivers. So for that we need to go to the browser, and here we need to type NVIDIA drivers and go to that, and you can see this is the website nvidia.com. Download the official NVIDIA driver. So we will click on here, and you can see we have the manual driver search option. So here we will select for which graphics card we want to install the driver. For example, if I am using 4090 graphics card, I will select here GeForce. It's a part of GeForce series, and here you need to select the 40 series. You can see notebook is for laptop, so if you are using PC you need to select the 40 series without the notebook. So I will select that, and here you need to select the exact version that you are using, and then there are different versions like 4090D, 4090. So I will simply select the 4090, and here you can choose the Windows. Right now we are using the Windows 11, so you can also check it from here, like by going to settings, and here you can click on system and about, and you can see I'm using the Windows 11 home version. So you need to select the Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10 you can select Windows 10. So I will select Windows 11, and the language you can choose according to your preferences, and click on this find button. So here you can see we have two versions of the driver. One is NVIDIA Studio driver and one is NVIDIA GeForce Game Ready driver. So for gaming we will download this Game Ready driver as it's optimized for games and everything. So you can see if you are a gamer who prioritize day of launch spot for latest games, patches and DLC, choose Game Ready drivers. So we will click on this view button, and you can see here is the download button. So we will select this download button, and it will install the most latest graphics driver for that graphics card. We just need to wait here. Okay, so once it's downloaded you can go to the downloads folder, and here is the file. You can just double click on it and open it, and it will install the most latest graphics driver.